Hi, Restore Pros, friends and family. Hey, I want to share something with you guys really quick. It's very, very important now that the temperature is starting to rise. I'm seeing that a lot of pipes are starting to defrost and folks are having water damage in their home. So it's really, really important. I want two things for you guys to take in consideration right now, especially if you're not home, you went someplace else because all your pipes are frozen. One is identify where your shutoff valve is. You may have one that's going into the house, or you may have one in the street. Sometimes the one in the street has a special tool. Make sure you have that at hand. Make sure you're prepared because, and second, and make sure you're home, because if the water in your pipe finally melts and starts going through the pipes and you have a burst pipe, it's going to be a disaster. And I'm seeing that a lot of my friends on social media, on Facebook, have having terrible damage, especially for pipes that are running through the attic. So number one, identify your shutoff valves. Number two, be home when those pipes start melting or the water starts melting in those pipes, so you can stop any additional damage. All right, thank you and be safe. Bye-bye.